another session of object-oriented programming, ITIC 203. In this video, we are going to discuss about operator. It's another token of Java. So, in the category of operator, we have unary operator, arithmetic operator, relational and conditional operator, and assignment operators. Now we are going to discuss one by one. So in the unary operator, we have unary minus, unary plus, unary increment operator, unary decrement operator, and logical complement operator. So these are the unary operators. Let us discuss about one by one. So unary minus operator can be assigned as negative value. For example, if we have positive value 4.5 in the floating, if this value is assigned as negative, the actual value can be taken to negative. So this is unary minus. In the same way, if you are going to take plus operator, there won't be any change because it's already plus sign only, so it will be as it is in the 4.5 only, but here we will find minus 4.5 as an output. So coming to the increment operator, for example, if you are going to assign x as 4 and you are going to say plus x, so we can say increment operator can be assigned as a pre-increment or post-increment, x plus plus or plus plus x. So plus plus means before the expression, in the expression when it is going to be assigned before, is going to be executed or assigned. Is post increment means after the expression is executed, plus plus will be executed. So if you are going to say x is 4, then x plus plus x, what will be the value? 5. So in the same, we can also write other than this, in replacement of this statement, we can also say x equal to 4 plus 1. So what will be the answer? 5. So we are writing these steps in the other form. X is assigned as 4 plus plus x, we say mean that will be as 5. X is 5. This is for pre-increment. In the same way, we can also say for x plus plus as post increment. So this way, the other way of writing this one is 4 plus 1 only. So x will become 5. So either you can use pre-increment or post-increment order. So in the same decrement operator, minus minus. So we have the same like previous, integer x equal to 4, we say minus minus x. So this is pre-decrement. What will be the value? We are going to get 3. The same way, in another way, we can write x equal to 4 minus 1. So the answer will be 3. So without using the decrement operator, we can write like this. So now we can see the post decrement. So if x is 4, post decrement we say x minus minus. So what will be the answer? The same as x is equals to 3. So either you can use it as a pre-increment or post increment, increment. The same pre-decrement, post decrement. Okay. So, but expression will be executed in different way. Pre-main is executed before the expression executes. Post mean after the expression executes. The another one unary operator is logical complement operator with exclamation symbol. So it will give always negative value. For example, if you are going to say Boolean x is true, false. If you are going to say not x, mean what will happen? It will return true value because it's already false. Not x means it will give the reverse value. So y value is going to be assigned now as a true value. Okay. It's always giving complement operator will always give negative value. Remember. So in the unary side we have logical complement operator, increment decrement operator, unary plus, unary minus. So these are the unary operators. And next operator is arithmetic operators. So in arithmetic side we have plus sign, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus. So addition, to add any two numbers, we can use arithmetic addition operator. For example, you are going to assign x is 3 and you are going to say y equal to x plus 5. So now x is already 3. So 3 plus 5, answer will be 8. So it is addition. Subtraction operator, for example, x is assigned as 10. So y equal to x minus 7. So x is already 10. So 10 minus 7 is 3. So it is a subtractor, multiplication. So it's going to multiply the value. So x is assigned as 4. So y equal to x plus x multiplies 4. So x already was 4. 4 multiplies 4. Then y value will be 16. Now division. So it will divide the value. So x is 4. Y equals to x divided by 2. So in x 2 times, or number of times it is going to divide. So 2 times y. So y value is written. Modulus is going to give the remainder value. Okay, x is 8 modulus by 3. So 3 is 2 times and remaining 2 times. Modulus always gives a remainder value. And here it divider will give number of times it is divisible. Okay, that's the difference between the modulus and the division. Relational operator, we have equal sign. Equal mean double equal we have to make. Not equal to mean exclamation sign with equal. So it is not equal. Greater than sign, less than sign, greater than equals, less than equals. So these are the relational operator. So relational operator can be compared and produce true or false value. Okay, so when there is a comparison between operators, it will give the final value or the result with a true or false. Logical operators, AND operator, OR operator. Okay, ampersand, double ampersand sign is a AND operation. Double pipeline or vertical sign is OR operation. Okay, so it will validate the expression where there is a two different logical expression there. Okay, for example, we have a logical expression here with 5 less than 3 and we have 6 less than 9. For example, two logical expressions are there in which the ampersand operator, logical operator, going to execute. Okay, so the same, if there are two different expressions are there, OR operation going to validate in middle. And one more, that is question operator. So question operator will have the format. You will have a condition, logical condition, and question with whatever the true value answer is coming. If condition is true, the following after the question mark, whatever the value you give, that will be the answer for the true. If the logical expression false, it goes to the after the colon mark. So it is a syntax for this one. So it is a question operator. Okay, it works like a if statement. Okay, so logical condition question mark. If logical expression true, this part will be executed. Otherwise false. False means the after the colon part will be executed. Okay. The last operator is called assignment operator. So assignment operator means assignment is equal. It starts with the equal. So plus equal, minus equal, star equal, divide equal, modulus equal. So in all these we can assign. So how it is going to execute in a sense? For example, if we are going to say A equals A plus B, for example, this statement can be written as A plus equals B. So it is a short form. Okay. So it is going to have a combined form. So plus equals is, we are writing A equal to A plus B. The short we can write using the assignment operator plus equals B. Okay. So in the same way we can also do for minus equal, star equal, divide equal and modulus equal. Okay, this is the assignment operator. So this is all about the operators. As operators also one of the Java token. In the next video I will demonstrate some example related to this one, related to the operators. And thank you very much for watching this video.